Number 1, Introduction. Alright. Number 2, Workspace. There it is. Number 3, Recent Projects. This drill press stand. Number 4, Proudest Piece. This coffee table. Number 5, Quick Tip. If you've got a glue bot, you can put the cap on this little nubbin. Number 6, How You Learned. My old man, the internet, people. Number 7, Not Yet Explored. I have a sewing machine, but I've never used it in anger. Number 8, On Your Table. Currently this bandsaw, which I'm sort of restoring, but not really. Number 9, Inspiration. Anything that you see here, I like. And also Bauhaus type forests, overpriced lifestyle magazines, old engineering, modernism, brutalism. I like a lot of things. Number 10, Oldest Tool. This might not be the oldest, but it's certainly unusual. I have no idea what it is. Number 11, Shop Company, Mr. Radio. Number 12, When You're Not Making. I sit at a desk, pressing buttons in one of these for some of them. Number 13, PPE. Yes, I use it, and so should you. Number 14, Prefferred Materials. Wood. And leather. And metal. But mainly wood. Number 15, Planning Process. Looks a bit like this. Number 16, Motivation. Number 17, EDC. Yes, I do. Number 18, How You Market. I don't, it's a hobby. Number 19, On the Wall. These aren't on the wall yet, but they will be at some point. Number 20, Just For You. I have a small stationery problem, but I can stop at any time, honest. Number 21, Most Interesting Tool. See that last one about this thing that I don't know what it is. 22, Shop Organisation. Does this look organised to you? 23, Advice. Don't give it unless it's asked for. 24, Work in Progress. That's that bandsaw again. 25, Lessons Learned. I haven't, not really. 26, Desired Tool. Lee Nielsen low angle jack plane. Go on then. Number 27, Challenging Project. It's that table again. 28, Favourite Finish. Really depends what it is, but it's usually one of these. 29, In 5 years' time. I don't know, I'm not even sure what I'm doing next week. 30, Make a Shout Out. Turkworks, Bear and Fox, With Bare Hands, Moonshine Metalworks, George Made This, G Customs, Neil McKinley, Badger Workshop, Matt Makes Mess, Dirty Shed Creations. There you go.